Have you ever packed for a hiking or camping trip and realized your cookware is taking up more room than your actual gear? Or maybe you've carried a heavy cooking setup only to use a fraction of it once you reach camp. For backpackers and minimalist campers, finding cookware that's lightweight, compact, and still practical enough to cook real meals can be surprisingly difficult. Today, we're taking a look at the BeGrit Backpacking Camping Cookware Mini Picnic Cooking Mess Kit, a compact all-in-one cookware set designed for hikers, backpackers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a simple cooking solution without adding unnecessary weight to their pack. If you're looking for a budget-friendly camping cookware set that prioritizes portability while still offering versatility, this one deserves a closer look. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One of the first things you'll notice about this kit is how compact everything is. The entire set nests together into a surprisingly small package, making it easy to slide into a backpack without sacrificing valuable storage space. The folding handles contribute significantly to that portability. When packed away, the cookware takes up minimal room, but once unfolded, it feels functional and easy to handle during meal preparation. The cookware is made from 410 stainless steel, and while it doesn't feel overly premium, it feels solid enough for regular outdoor use. Stainless steel offers an important advantage for campers because it's resistant to rust, relatively durable, and easy to clean after cooking. Unlike some ultra-light cookware that can feel fragile, the BeGrit set provides a reassuring level of sturdiness without becoming excessively heavy. Another thing I appreciate is that the kit includes more than just a pot and a pan. You get multiple cookware and dining pieces, including pots, plates, and cups, which help create a more complete outdoor cooking experience. For solo campers or couples, having everything organized into one compact system reduces the need to purchase separate accessories. In practical use, this cookware set performs exactly as most casual campers would expect. The pots heat reasonably quickly over camping stoves, helping you prepare simple meals without long waiting times. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, making instant meals, cooking pasta, or preparing a quick breakfast, the cookware handles everyday camp cooking tasks effectively. The frying pan adds extra flexibility because it allows you to cook foods that aren't ideal for boiling. Eggs, vegetables, and simple fried meals are all manageable with this setup. While it isn't intended to replace a full kitchen, it provides enough functionality for most outdoor cooking situations encountered during hiking trips, weekend camping adventures, or picnic outings. One area where this set shines is convenience. Because everything stores together, setup and packing feel effortless. There's very little noise while cooking, no complicated assembly, and no learning curve. Even beginners who have never used camping cookware before should feel comfortable using it right away. Cleanup is also relatively simple. Stainless steel surfaces rinse clean with minimal effort, especially if you clean them shortly after cooking. Of course, there are some trade-offs. While the cookware is lightweight for a stainless steel set, dedicated ultralight backpackers may still find lighter aluminum or titanium alternatives on the market. The cookware also works best for 1 or 2 people. Larger groups will likely need a bigger cooking system with greater capacity. Additionally, because this is positioned as a budget-friendly option, the overall finish and refinement aren't quite at the same level as premium outdoor cookware brands. Compared to other cookware sets in a similar price range, the BeGrit kit offers excellent value. Many competing products include fewer pieces or use thinner materials that don't inspire much confidence. The combination of multiple cookware items, durable stainless steel construction, compact storage, and affordable pricing helps this set stand out for budget-conscious outdoor enthusiasts. Overall, the BeGrit Backpacking Camping Cookware Mini Picnic Cooking Mess Kit is a practical choice for solo campers, couples, hikers, and beginner backpackers who want an affordable, compact, and reliable cooking solution. It solves the common problem of carrying bulky cookware while still providing enough versatility for real outdoor meals. If you're looking for a lightweight camping cookware set that won't take up much space in your pack, check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more camping gear reviews and outdoor equipment recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.